Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the environment safe. Open the panel, shut the breaker, and confirm 0 volts with a meter. Once done, put on gloves and eye protection. Rust can hide bad connections. You inspect wiring colors and take photos for later reference because identical terminals can look similar when corroded. Next, clear the immediate area and lay out tools, wire brush, contact cleaner, stainless fasteners, so you can move straight into cleaning and repair without interruption. You now remove rust and restore conductivity. Scrub terminals with a wire brush until bright metal shows, then spray contact cleaner to lift residue and let it dry. Next, replace any pitted lugs or screws with stainless hardware. Crimp or solder the conductor to the connector for a reliable joint. Once assembled, apply a thin layer of dielectric grease to inhibit future corrosion and tighten connections to the manufacturer's torque values. This prevents overheating and intermittent faults during operation. You finish by restoring power and carefully testing. Measure supply and control voltages under load while watching for voltage drop or heat at terminals. If you see fluctuation or heat, shut power and recheck torque and continuity. Measure insulation resistance if available, because hidden corrosion can still cause leakage. Once stable, label the repair and note parts used. If problems persist, isolate the console and test with a known good controller. This single extra step pinpoints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.